In my last video, when we were working on combinations, I said that Pascal's triangle is a really good source at figuring out combinations. First, very quickly, I'll show you how a Pascal's triangle is constructed. So a Pascal's triangle is just a number triangle where the 1 is at the very top. Each row is flanked by zeros, which are usually not shown, and the zeros are only useful to find out what the next number is. So for instance, if we want to find a number below this number here, 1 in blue, what we do is add 0 plus 1 to get 1. And on the right hand side we add 1 plus 0 to get 1. To continue on, we get 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So each number below is really the addition of two numbers above. 6 plus 4 will give you 10. So how can a Pascal's triangle help you with combinations? Well, a Pascal's triangle answers in how many different ways can something happen. But first we want to label the rows. And it is really important that first you understand that we start at row 0. So our top row is row 0. And this is now followed by row 1 and row 2 and so on. The rows represent the total number of players or members or coins that you're using. So for instance, if you're going to be using 5 coins or 5 members or 5 people, then you will look at row 5. That's where you're interested in. You're interested in row 5. This means the total number of people. Okay, just make sure you know that it's total number of people or members that you are using. Now each row will have an element, and we consider this leftmost element here to be 0. This element here is number 1. This element here is second, third. Okay, so the last row, the row 7, will have 7 elements. The row 6 will have 6 elements. Row 5 will have 5 elements. So we can now write this Pascal's triangle, show it to you in a different form. Here you can see the Pascal's triangle written in combination form. So you'll notice that the top number 0 refers to the row 1, 1, row 1, 1. That's the number 2, 2, 2. That's the number that tells you the total number of objects that you have. And the number below in the red indicates the number that you choose. So I could write this down as brackets, brackets, NR, and remember that that is the number of objects, and the bottom number indicates you choose them at R at a time. And so if you look at these two triangles, you'll notice that 6 choose 3 is going to be 20. And any number like 3 choose 1 is going to be row 3, first element, which is here. And 7, 4 will be row 7, element 4. And so on. So this is how you apply the Pascal's triangle to your combinations. Now I just want to show you another triangle right above over here. Okay, this one over here is just another form where I've written 0 combination, choose 0, 1 combination, choose 0. You should know how to read these as well. Okay, well, If you found that useful, then please like this video, because that really helps my algorithm in the Google to, actually I think it's the YouTube, move my videos to more people. And also please subscribe to it. By subscribing, you'll get the next video. You'll be notified when the next video comes along. If you look in my playlist, you'll probably find other topics that will be relevant to you. But if you feel that there is something missing, let me know in the comments box and I will make some videos on that.